This YouTube channel and TikTok page are blowing up, getting millions of views and thousands of subscribers by sharing amazing football stories with a twist. They're powered by artificial intelligence. These channels are on fire, going from 0 to over 1.37 million subscribers. Imagine this. One channel racked up more than 885 million views and makes between 1.9K and 30K every month. But that's not all. Over on TikTok, they've gained more than 600K followers, with their videos getting millions of views every single month. These stories are really hooking the audience. I'm going to show you two types of short videos and how to make them. First, let me show you an example video. After that, we'll walk through the video creation process step by step.
Did you know? Cristiano Ronaldo has never grown a beard, and the reason will leave you speechless. Throughout his career, all versions of Ronaldo have been clean-shaven. Initially, many thought it was genetics, as some men can grow beards and others cannot. However, Ronaldo himself revealed he can grow a beard. Once, he grew a beard due to a bet with his teammate, Ricardo Quaresma. Ronaldo shared that while shaving as usual, Quaresma challenged him to grow a beard until the World Cup.
First, go to YouTube and copy the transcript from a popular video. Then search for ChatGPT login. Use this prompt. I will give football player story. Please make similar ones starting with, did you know? Each story should be one paragraph with 50 words. Also, paste the transcript you copied from YouTube. You can change the story as you like, which I recommend because ChatGPT seems to be on drugs sometimes. Or just ask it to try another rewrite. As you can see, ChatGPT provided additional scripts for me. Once you have your script, we'll use a text-to-speech AI. I suggest 11 Labs. I use it for my videos. You get 10,000 characters for free, but you can get 30,000 for just $5 with the link in the description. Log into the app. There are many voices in different categories. Choose one that fits the story. Paste the script here, pick the voice, and generate the audio. Next, we need pictures for the video. Make sure to select pictures that match your video and download them. My script is about Cristiano Ronaldo and his friend Ricardo Quaresma, so I'm searching for pictures of them. For this next step, you'll need a video editor. We'll use CapCut because it's free. After downloading, open a new project in CapCut. Since we're making a short video, choose a 9:16 ratio. If you want a tutorial on making long videos, tell me in the comments, and I'll make a full course for you. After that, import all your media, pictures, and voiceover. First, place the voiceover on timeline, then import all the images and arrange them to match the voiceover. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make it attractive. Keep each image on the screen for no longer than 5 seconds. This is important because everyone has a short attention span now. Make sure the images fit the screen fully. Now add some transitions that fit well. We'll use blink and pull-out transitions for each image. To add a zoom-in effect, click on the images and select the checkbox to add a keyframe. Make sure the keyframe starts at the beginning of the image. Then create another keyframe, zoom in a bit and drag it to the end. You'll see the image slowly zooming in. Do this for the rest of the clips. This step takes some time, but it's worth it. I speed up the work so you won't get bored. Now we will add background music. You can download it or find it in CapCut. Next, add subtitles. CapCut has an automatic subtitle feature. Click on Text, then Auto Caption. choose the language, and generate. In seconds, captions are ready. Change the template or add effects to make the subtitles engaging. You can also add some stickers to make it more fun. Now we can go to the next video style. Let me show you a sample video first.
Football is more than just a game. It's a universal language that connects people from all walks of life. With simple rules and minimal equipment, anyone can play. Whether on a grassy field or a makeshift pitch, the joy of kicking a ball brings together kids and adults alike. During major tournaments, nations rally behind their teams, creating a shared experience that transcends borders. Fans celebrate victories and support each other in defeat, showcasing solidarity and passion. From local neighborhoods to global stadiums, football fosters friendships and breaks down social barriers. It's a powerful force for global unity and understanding, reminding us that we all share the same love for the beautiful game.
You won't believe how simple it is to create that video. I used an amazing new AI tool called Auto Shorts AI. This tool is perfect for our niche because it handles everything. It writes the script, generates images, edits the video, and even uploads it to your channel with titles and descriptions. Imagine not having to worry about anything. The AI does it all for you. It's like having your own personal video production team. The amazing part is that every video generated by this AI tool is completely unique and brand new, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. This is crucial for monetization, as using copyrighted or reused content is a big no-no. Auto Shorts AI guarantees originality every time. With this tool, you can effortlessly manage several YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress or heavy lifting. Each video you create with Auto Shorts AI is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. First, you need to sign up for this AI. It's free to sign up. Let's create a video for our niche using this AI. After signing up, go to Create. You can connect your YouTube or TikTok account to the AI. When the video is ready, the AI can upload it to your channel. If you don't want that, you can choose the email option, and they'll send the video to you. I'll choose the email option because I like to upload the video myself. In the drop-down menu, you can pick your niche. They have topics like scary, motivational, fun facts, philosophy, and more. You can also enter a custom niche, and they'll make a video for it. In this case, we need to use the custom prompt. Let's select it and type our prompt. I'm going to ask like this: create a short, engaging video explaining why football is the most popular sport in the world. Highlight its simplicity, global reach, and excitement, using easy-to-understand language and avoiding complex words. Next, choose a good AI voice for your video. Look at the available voices and pick one that fits your video. I think this voice will be a good match, so I'll choose it. A great voice is important because it helps your video go viral on YouTube or TikTok. Then, select your preferred language. Now pick how long you want the video to be. For both TikTok and YouTube, I suggest choosing 30 to 60 seconds. Once you fill in all the details, hit Create to make your video. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to finish. Our video is ready. Now check out their 3 plans. The first is the starter plan, where you can upload 3 videos per week for just $19. Next is the daily plan at $39, which lets you upload 1 video every day. Lastly, there's the hardcore plan for $69, where you can upload 2 videos per day. You don't have to pay for a whole year like with other tools. You can try it for a month and see how it works. I hope you liked this tutorial. See you in the next one.